Hey everyone, it's Barry here. Welcome to my Virgin Kitchen. I hope you are well. Today I'm rummaging more through recipes that have been submitted through the website, and I'm pulling out another simplistic one because of our rustic kitchen. This is actually the third video that I filmed in the kitchen. I've already done a donut in a mug, and I know this video is up on Friday. I've already done Sunday's gadget video in here, all right? And I feel like this is going to be a weekly thing. Next week, hopefully these bulbs here, they're yellow, they're going to be white. Ooh, because that will help with the... Anyhow, today's video, we are doing a recipe that was sent in called Coca-Cola Fudge. Now this started out because I was like, I'm sure someone submitted a recipe to me before of doing a microwave fudge where it's 2 ingredients of, I think it's condensed milk and chocolate, and that's it. This one goes a little bit more advanced than that, in that you put Coca-Cola there, actually in with the fudge to drive up that Coca-Cola flavour. And I'm not just going to stop there. I'm kind of gutted because I didn't get Diet Coke because I was going to do the whole Mentos thing in my garden. But I did do that before on a slow motion video. That was kind of fun. I enjoyed that. I'm going to try and create like a Coke float appearance. So the fudge is going to be a milk chocolate kind of looking block. But then we're going to do a white chocolate layer to kind of give it like a two-tone Guinness ice cream float kind of look. But I'm really intrigued to see how this is going to taste. It's another simple recipe whilst the kitchen is going to be done, whilst the pugs just kind of chill on some pink slippers. Yep, very nice. Let's do this. All right, so I've got 2 pans here. This is going to be our main one. This one's going to be for the white chocolate. This is some caster sugar. Woo! This is some evaporated milk. Oh yeah, loving that. Going to use the same jug because I'm being lazy. 60 mils of Coca-Cola. I can't actually see the line. Oh no. I can kind of see the line, don't worry. There we go. Now if you just give that a little stir, no one's going to know. No one's going to know, it'll be all right. Some of you guys have been commenting on that first donut video saying that you like the darker worktop colour because it helps see the food better. So you might have actually influenced the colour of our worktop, guys. That is the power that you have. All right, last but not least is a tub of Marshmallow Fluff. The easy way to get this out is to bung it in the microwave. Obviously make sure you take this lid off. Yeah, I've made sure there's no foil on the edge. Otherwise the microwave will 100% let you know about that. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, that is coming out a darn sight easier. All right, here is our lovely pan of glorious Coca-Cola marshmallow sugary stuff. We're now going to boil it. We've got to use this hob again. Don't worry, we would actually really like to keep this thing. The hob is great, but I don't think the oven works at all. Oh my gosh. Ooh. This may sound really weird, but I'm loving the look of this. It's kind of like a curdled marshmallow mess at the moment. But as the heat gets into it, it's going to break down that marshmallow, warm it up again, it's going to mingle through, and then we want to simmer this for 5 minutes. Only other thing to bear in mind is to keep stirring it so this stays moving around. Have your chocolate ready to one side and your vanilla extract. And that's pretty much everything you need. Let's just see how the other head taste tester's getting on. Hello, are you okay?
Yeah.
What are you watching?
I'm just finding something to watch, really.
Are you?
Yeah.
Have fun. Bye.
Bye.
I'm going to get Mrs. Barry, Phoebe and Chloe to try this in a bit. I'm just wondering whether they'll be able to tell if there's Coca-Cola in it. Okay, nice steady bubble on there. 5 minutes solid. Then it's choco time. Do keep stirring it though, alright? Alright, here's what's going to happen. White chocolate in there. Going to carefully pour about 1/5 of the mixture into it. And use that heat to melt the white chocolate. Oh, I've made a mess. If it cools down at any point, you can just whack it back on the hob to warm up. But that chocolate's nearly broken down. And we'll do exactly the same with our milk chocolate in just a mo. So I'm going to put that on the hob out the way and maybe keep it warm if I have to. Remember to add just a splash of vanilla extract as well. Forgot that. So that'll be the topping. Vanilla extract in this one as well. About 1/2 teaspoon in each. Dump in our milk chocolate. And just stir that through. Again, using that heat that you can see coming up hopefully. To melt that chocolate fully down. Should turn a nice chocolatey colour, fingers crossed. Oh yeah. See that? So apparently we just keep stirring it until it's lump free. This smells so good. Oh, cherry Coke would be good in this, wouldn't it? I've got to be honest, guys, it was all going so well, wasn't it? Unfortunately, because we're still not fully unpacked, I can't find much Tupperware or more of a baking dish is what you're after to put this in. So I found like an old plastic tub. That'll do. All right, so this is my makeshift Tupperware tub. We sometimes store vegetables in this and stuff, but I've greased it quite well with butter. Mrs. Barry is on her way back to see if we can try and dig one out, but for the meantime, I'm just going to pour that in there. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. And now we just pour the Coke float layer on top. That looks pretty awesome. So we're going to let that cool to room temperature. Then I'm going to stick it in the fridge to firm up completely. All right then, guys. Hello. We've just had lunch. This video has taken, well, it's actually a late lunch, taken a lot longer to set than I thought. Top tip, use baking parchment to get it out, because getting it out was very tricky indeed, or a silicone tub would also help. Anyhow, let's slice it up, and I've got some volunteers, I think. And there we go. I'm loving it. It's got that kind of like Coca-Cola shade to the whiteness on there, and the milk chocolate base. Okay, it's not the most even thing, but hey. Oh, come on. Yes, it's a bit sticky. There we go. Look at that. I would recommend keeping it in the fridge until you do serve it. Oh, and I'm putting my finger marks in it now. And ideally do let it firm overnight if you can wait that long. Kids are laughing in the background. Oi!
Eating a fudge, Mummy.
Oi, doing a video here. I gotta admit, I'm pretty happy with that. I'll cut some more blocks up and see what the girls think.
This is fudge.
Just eat the fudge,
Homemade fudge, actually.
you donkey. What's that slow? You know you're doing a McDonald's advert or something.
Okay.
Come on now.
Just do this. Just eat at McDonald's Happy Meal.
Nice. I think that's a yes.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
She's thinking, that's naughty.
Wow, that is amazing.
Can you taste the Coca-Cola in it?
It's got like a slight fizz to it.
Cool.
Is that meant to be like that?
Yeah. All right, that'll do. My job here is done. I'm not going to eat it because I ate an insane amount of the leftovers in the bowl earlier, but it was very nice. And you guys like it?
Yeah.
Look at your face. hey, chocolate Tash. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow @MyVirginKitchen on all social media. Subscribe for regular videos and remember to press the bell to make sure you're notified of new videos. Let us know down below what you want to see next. And I'll see you again next time.
Bye. Why press the bell?
Because like YouTube keep changing it. One time you've got to subscribe, when you've got to press the bell, next time you've got to stand outside my house and go, I'm ready for your video.
No, this is pure sugar, isn't it?
Yes. Bye.